Hi, this is Charles Zafuto with UConn Learning, and we've got a couple questions in class on how to get object to snap back in a drag and drop. And when I say snap back, we automatically snaps back when you're not over a droppable area. But for instance, in this case, we want to drop it over this answer, get it wrong. We click close, and the fire extinguisher stays right up here. We have to drag it from where it's at. Still works, but questions we've got: how do we have it snap back to its original position? And so I'm going to close my preview, and fairly simple solution. And in fact, two of us, Scott Payne, discovered this on his own or separately from myself. So all we did was on these feedback layers is that rather having it just close this layer, have it reload the slide, so we actually see it's actually reloading it. So we click this, and it reloads the slide. So let's see if it looks any different. Okay, so here we are, the revised question. Sorry, and it snaps back. So it's literally just reloading this answer. Okay. Now you probably noticed that this isn't an actual test question. It's literally just an object with layers, object and snapping back just based on triggers. You can do this exact same process as Scott demonstrated in his class with the same technique. Just reload the slide. It'll just act like, since it's actually not submitting the question or submitting a grade, that it will work fine. However, that won't work with this next technique. Originally, the client I was with wanted to know how to also put this into a question bank. The problem is that when you reload the question this way, it'll actually reload the entire question bank, and thus you might get a completely different question. So it didn't work very well. So here was our solution for this. So I'm going to go into this one. And so what I did here on this question is I literally created a question layer. So we do the same process, the same layer, and then rather than reloading the slide, it actually reloads this layer, snapping the water fire extinguisher back. So this is how this looks. Let's see if it looks any different. Okay, so this is the randomized question test bank. Drop it in there, close, works just the same. I don't believe this will work very well. I don't think that you can put question items onto a layer in a question itself, so this may not work. If you want to do a little tinkering around yourself and you can fix that little question, I would love to hear from you. Again, Charles Zafuto with UConn Learning. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks.